Yeah, hi. IoT-based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino with IoT sensor. So in this project, we are using 5 volts power supply module and Arduino Uno R3. The sensors are LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, MQ2 sensor connected with the A1, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor connected to the A2. So when cooling fan, when temperature goes, depend upon the temperature, the fan speed also controlling. So 16 cross to LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One SPDT relay, one bulb we are using. So GPRS SIM 900A module we are using. Those are connected with RX, TX 0 and 1. So temperature sensor, MQ6 gas sensor and MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor we are using. And the output we are going to monitoring temperature MQ6, MQ9. So over temperature and gas alert. Go to main screen. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. So Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL SIM card, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance we need to use. Okay. So here this is Idea 3G SIM card I am using. Press down, the SIM card will come outside. This is lock unlock type. So open the SIM card. So either Idea 3G SIM card. So insert the SIM card slowly and lock the SIM card. Press down, it will come outside. This will be lock. Press down, unlock and lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900A module using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module and Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button and USB programming. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display and 7th pin connected to the SPDT relay and one bulb and so 6th pin connected to the fan. So 5th pin and connected to the one small alarm also we are using and one max 232 board for GSM connection. 16 cross 2 LCD display, LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor connected to the A2, MQ6 gas sensor connected to the A1. So one fan and one relay coil and one bulb. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So power on. So we need to give the power supply here. Okay. So now I am going to press the reset button. So IoT based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino with sensors, GSM testing, connected, disable, echo, finding network found, test message. Okay. So CGATT, it will check the SIM card internet. So once GPRS is enabled, so it will goes to HTTP protocol. So hypertext transfer protocol to send the data to server. So T for temperature, MQ6 and MQ9. So depend upon the temperature, the fan speed controlling. So now I am going to increase the temperature. Fan speed we can observe. So depend upon the temperature, fan speed will be rotate. Okay. So if it is crossed 45 and above, the temperature crossed 45 and above, it will send the SMS alert, email alert, sending the data to server. SMS alert, email alert, sending the data to server. Okay. So high speed it is rotating, sending the data to web page. Okay. So sending the data to web page. Send completed. So here we can see the data onto the server. So temperature 45. So 44, 40, 41, 42, 44, 44 and above 45. If then now sending the temperature alert. So after every 10 counts, it will send the data to server also. Yeah, over temperature alert, temperature 45. Now I am drinking the cigarette later. So MQ9 I will go first. MQ6. Okay. MQ6 alert. MQ6. Okay, 238 gas sensor alarm. So gas sensor, it is giving the alarm alert, sending the data. So 2 times continuous it will check. So you have to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, continuous giving the butane gas to sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, sending the data to server. Yeah, temperature okay set, MQ6 237. So we will receive the SMS alert also. So it is sending 2 SMS alert, one for me and another one is the student number. SMS sent. So we will receive the high gas alert. MQ6 means gas sensor. Okay, now I am going for the MQ9 alert. MQ9 carbon monoxide, it will gives the bulb output. Okay, relay bulb on. Okay, 236 bulb on. Okay, now sending the data to server. Okay, now it will update. 234 updated, so we will get the high CO alert. So now the GSM GPRS modem SIM 900A 5 volts power supply module. So I got the SMS alert and email alert. It goes to the different mobile number. Okay, so Arduino R3 board, relay coil, LM35 temperature sensor, MQ9 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, MQ6 gas sensor. So DC fan, depend upon the temperature, the fan speed will control max 232 to send the data to GSM model 16x to LCD display. After 10 counts, every data should be continuously updated onto the monitor. And this is our block diagram. Thank you.